Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord starter. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal. Next, gather all your tools, including a new starter, wrenches, and sockets. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported on jack stands before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the engine block near the transmission. Once you've found it, carefully disconnect all the electrical wires attached to the old starter. There will be a main power cable and a smaller solenoid wire. After disconnecting the wires, unbolt the starter from its mounting points, typically 2 or 3 bolts, and gently remove it from the vehicle. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into place and secure its mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reconnect all the electrical wires to the new starter, ensuring the main power cable and solenoid wire are attached correctly. Double-check all connections to confirm they are tight and properly fitted before moving on. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Before lowering your vehicle, start the engine to confirm the new starter functions correctly and the car starts smoothly. If everything works, you've successfully replaced your starter. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for easy meal prep and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.